Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This video is about what you see me highlighted with the red paint, the back of your hair. When you do this hairstyle and you see it lifting, this is what you do. We'll go straight to the point. When you're at the very nape of your hair, or if you're doing somebody's hair and you think it'll be lifting, this is what you do. You make sure you add extra hair there. Make sure you save from 3 to 4 thick strand, and then you feed in extra hair at the nape. That will prevent your cornrows from lifting. That's what this video is about. I wanted to get straight to the point. If you want to see how these fitting braids were done, you can keep watching the video, but this is the answer to your problem. If they look too skinny or they very spacey in the back at the nape, add extra hair and that will help. You'll see the final product and you'll see a big difference it makes. And one more thing, you can also sew it at the bottom. Her case, even at the nape, she has very thick hair. She has hair all over her head. So if your hair is thin at the back and you still decide to feed in extra hair in the back, you can still sew them for them to stay together. Hers, I didn't have to do that, so that's why. We are using Easy Braid Edge Control. This one I use it as a gel. It comes a lot in the jar, and I'm saturating her hair with enough gel, even though it's an edge control, before I start braiding her hair. And this is the freestanding from TeresaMHair.com. I am using Easy Braid pre-stretch hair and free tress deep twist as curly hair. What I'm doing here, I start braiding her hair at least 4 times. Then I start feeding her hair. I'll start with the first one here. I'll braid it 2 times, one, and then I'll braid a second time, 2, and then I tuck this underneath, and then I add another one. I'll keep doing that over and over in this video for you to see. And if the video is helpful, please let me know in the comment section below. Leave a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and then I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.
So much for you, I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you, so much for you. But you're already moved up. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you, so much for you. But you're already moved up. He got you all in your feelings, but do you know if you're happy? Cause that's the card that I'm dealing. You're feeling anxiety? Well baby, come try me. You always tell me to look you up, so why you staying so booed up? I've been thinking about you, pulling you close to my arms, wrapping these hands around you. Who else you gonna love? Nobody. Baby, are you ready? Now he's ready. I'm talking Keith Sweat ready. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. so much for you, but you're already booed up. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you, so much for you, but you're already leaving. You're always talking, you're leaving. I've been saying I'm ready, but I don't think you believe it. It's like you're looking for reasons, so you can keep tripping. All we doing is catching up, 'cause you already got booed up. I've been dreaming about you, waking up with you in my arms, wrapping these hands around you. Who else I'm gonna love? Nobody. Baby, are you ready? Now he's ready. I'm talking Keith Sweat ready. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you, so much for you, but you're already booed up. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you, so much for you, but you're already booed up. Why you go get somebody? Why you go get somebody? Why you go get somebody? Tell me why you went and booed up. Touch my body, Mariah Carey said, can't nobody that's Keith Sweat. And I wanna be with you till the end. I wanna be a man. Baby, are you ready? He's ready. I'm talking Keith Sweat ready. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you, so much for you, but you're already booed up. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you, so much for you, but you're already booed up. He got you all in your feelings, but do you know if you're happy? 'Cause that's the card that I'm dealing. You're feeling anxiety? Well, baby, come try me. You always tell me to look you up, so why you staying so booed up? I've been thinking about you, pulling you close to my arms, wrapping these hands around you. Who else you gonna love? Nobody. Baby, are you ready? Now he's ready. I'm talking Keith Sweat ready. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you, so much for you, but you're already booed up. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you, so much for you, but you're already leaving. You're always talking, you're leaving. I've been saying I'm ready, but I don't think you believe it. It's like you're looking for reasons, so you can keep tripping. All we doing is catching up, 'cause you already got booed up. I've been dreaming about you, waking up with you in my arms, wrapping these hands around you. Who else I'm gonna love? Nobody. Baby, are you ready? Now he's ready. I'm talking Keith Sweat ready. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you, so much for you, but you're already booed up. I can do I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already booed up. Why you go get somebody? Why you go get somebody? Why you go get somebody? Tell me why you went and boot up. Touch my body, Mariah Carey said, can't nobody that's keep sweat. And I'm gonna be with you till the end. I wanna be a man.